Now that you've completed your validation, you've got to show evidence of the validation rules that you have created. You need to show how you have set up the validation rule. So if we have a look at our postcode example here, we need to show evidence that the validation has been added to it, and there needs to be some annotation to describe what has happened, what has been done. So this is now telling the examiner or your teacher what that required attribute does, and you're showing that you understand that's the presence check. You then need to show evidence of running that validation rule and the error message that appears when that validation rule is run. So we need to put here for the postcode, we need to identify that it's been left blank, and then we need to annotate to say that this is the error message. Now we can do exactly the same for email address and for the date of the last visit. For the telephone number, if you put the placeholder in there, you'll just need to annotate a little bit extra to explain about what that placeholder does. And for the pattern, you'll need to explain what each part of this code means. So you'll need to explain that this insists upon a 0 being entered, this bit insists on a digit being entered, and that the number 10 in the curly brackets means that that is repeated 10 times. So that's for 10 digits. And then again, you show entering some invalid data and the validation rule. And that is your evidence completed for 3D Part 1.